Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious barbecue chicken in your oven. First, prepare your workspace and ingredients. Make sure you have your favorite chicken cuts, barbecue sauce, and seasonings ready. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience from the very start. Now, let's get that chicken seasoned and into the oven. Lightly brush each chicken piece with a small amount of olive oil, which helps the seasoning stick and creates a lovely crust. Sprinkle your favorite barbecue rub or a mix of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika generously on both sides. Place the chicken onto your lined baking sheet and bake it for an initial 20 minutes. This step starts the cooking without burning the sauce. After the initial 20-minute bake, carefully remove the chicken from the oven. This is the moment to introduce that delicious barbecue flavor. Using a brush, generously coat all sides of each chicken piece with your chosen barbecue sauce. Place the sauced chicken back into the oven for another 15 minutes. This allows the sauce to warm through and start to caramelize, building that classic barbecue taste. For the final perfect finish, increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply a second, lighter layer of barbecue sauce, ensuring even coverage. Return the chicken to the oven and bake for 10 to 15 more minutes. Watch carefully to prevent burning. The sauce should become wonderfully sticky and slightly caramelized, giving your chicken that irresistible, glossy barbecue restaurant look and taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.